Hello students, good morning to all. Today in this class I am going to discuss about deterioration and preservation of stone. So what first I am going to discuss about deterioration of stone. So what is deterioration of stone? The process of breaking or decay of stone is known as deterioration of stone. So the various agents or causes of the deterioration of stone are: first one is rain, next temperature, wind, frost, atmospheric impurities, vegetable growth, living organism, movement of chemicals. So first one is rain. The action of rainwater on stone is twofold process. So one is physical process and the other one is chemical process. So in physical process, what happens is the rainwater, due to the rainwater, the stone get wet, and due to sun, the stone get dry. So due to this alternate wetting process and drying process, what happens is the stone get deteriorated. So next process is chemical process. So this stone absorbs this carbon dioxide, then this hydrogen sulfate and other gases. So when the rainwater descends down, what happens is the rainwater absorbs the impurities or gases present in the atmosphere when it comes to the earth surface. So there it absorbs carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and other gases which are harmful to the stone. So due to these acids or due to these gases, what happens is the stone get deteriorated, that is it get decay. So next one is temperature. So due to rise of the temperature, when temperature rises, what happens? The stone get expanded. So when the temperature get fall, it can get contracted. So when the temperature, due to this temperature, what happens is this stone get deteriorated. That due to this alternate contraction and expansion, this expansion and contraction, the crack will be formed. So what generally it get deteriorated, stone get deteriorated. And the next one is the factor is the wind. So due to wind, what happens is due to the high velocity of the wind, the stone get weared. That it get deteriorated, it get weared. So what the dust particles present in the stone strike out the stone. Due to this dust particles, the stone get deteriorated. So next one is the frost. So this in the climatic condition, that is in the hill stations or in the cold climatic stations or cold climatic conditions, the water are present in the pores of the stone. In the pores of the stones, the water are present. So at the freezing temperature, what happens is the stone get split out. It will break into two pieces, that is split out. So that is the by this frost action also the stone get deteriorated. So next one is the atmospheric impurities. So normally in industrial town areas, what happens is the gases and fumes are generally present in the atmosphere. So due to this atmospheric impurities, what happens is the stone get deteriorated. So due to this atmospheric impurities, in the carbonate of lime, the stone contains the carbonate of lime. In this carbonate of lime, the atmospheric impurities acted upon it. So due to this atmospheric impurities, the stone get deteriorated. So next one is the vegetable growth. Next factor is the vegetable growth. So if a trees or plants, the roots of the trees and plants secrete organic acids or some acids. So due to these acids, what happens is the stone get splitted or stone get cracked or stone get deteriorated. So this plants and trees also keep the stone in wet condition, in damp condition. So due to this dampness also, the stone get deteriorated. So next one is the living organisms. Some insects, that insects live nearby the seashore. This bore the hole, and in that hole, what happens is pore is formed. So in the pore, what happens is water enter into the pore, and due to that the stone get deteriorated. So in the seashore areas, mostly the stone was affected by the living organisms. Then some bacteria and worms also secrete the organic acids, and due to these organic acids also the stone get deteriorated. So next one is the movement of chemicals. So if we keep this limestone and sandstone and magnesium limestone and granular limestone in the same structure side by side, what happens is due to the action of these factors, the impurities chemicals formed by this action, they deteriorate the stone. So this is movement of chemicals. So this is what we have discussed. What are the agents that are affecting the stone? That is rain, temperature, wind, frost, atmospheric impurities, vegetable growth, living organism, movement of chemicals. So next, now we are going to discuss preservation of stone. That is making the stone strong. To make the stone strong and to preserve the stone from these factors, that is these 8 factors, what we are doing is we are preserving the stone. To make it durable, to make the stone durable, we are preserving the stone. So how we will preserve the stone? So by filling up the pores. If any pores or any holes are present in the stone, we have to fill it. So we can fill it by we can provide by any coat of preservatives. If we paint any coat of preservatives, then we can preserve the stone. Then usage of this carbonate of lime, in the stone carbonate of lime is present. So this carbonate of lime present, if the impurity is present in the atmosphere, what happens is it will normally act and the stone get deteriorated. So this usage of this carbonate of lime in stone will be discouraged. Then limestone or kept and sandstones are kept in the same structure. What happens? The chemicals from sandstone is moved to limestone, and what happens? The stone get deteriorated. So with the usage of this limestone and sandstone and usage of this magnesium limestone and carbonate limestone, granular limestone should be discouraged, should not be used in the same structure. Then we can use any binding material for preservation for stone. Then we can the growth of plants and trees will be also discouraged. Do not grow any plants and trees, or do not keep the stone in nearby the plants and trees or abandoned areas. So the preservatives, some of the preservatives we are using as a coat of preservative, or some of the preservatives we are using for the preservation of stone are this coal, tar, then linseed oil, Burgers solution, then solution of alum and soap, paraffin, paint. So in this class I have discussed about the deterioration and preservation of stone. Thank you.